Cats may seem independent, but boredom can affect their behavior, health, and overall happiness. Understanding the symptoms and taking proactive steps can keep your cat mentally and physically engaged, prevent destructive behaviors, and promote a happier indoor life. If your cat suddenly becomes more talkative or meows frequently, it could be seeking your attention. This behavior often signals boredom or a need for interaction and engagement. Cats sometimes groom themselves obsessively when they are understimulated. You might notice bald patches or irritated skin as a result. This repetitive behavior is a sign they need more mental and physical stimulation. Scratching furniture, knocking objects over, or chewing on cords often indicates pent-up energy. A bored cat may act out in ways that seem mischievous, but are really attempts to entertain themselves. Bored cats may sleep longer than usual, or appear restless at odd hours. Irregular sleep can be a sign that they are not getting enough stimulation during the day. Biting or growling may be your cat's way of expressing frustration. These behaviors can escalate if their environment lacks engagement and mental challenges. Some cats respond to boredom by constantly following you or demanding petting. While this can be exhausting, it's a clear sign they need more interaction and stimulation. A bored cat may ignore toys, people, or activities they normally enjoy. This lack of enthusiasm can affect both their physical and mental health. The home groove cat wheel is a fantastic way to keep indoor cats active and mentally stimulated. Running on the wheel allows your feline friend to burn energy and beat boredom without leaving the comfort of your home. This specially designed wheel features a cute fish lock, letting you switch between spinning and stationary modes. It gives you control over your cat playtime while keeping them entertained. A cat tunnel is a simple yet highly effective way to keep your feline friend entertained. Cats love to explore, hide, and pounce, and a tunnel provides the perfect space for all these natural behaviors. Placing toys inside the tunnel keeps your cat actively engaged and excited to play. Interactive cat apps for tablets are a fun and engaging way to keep your cat mentally stimulated and prevent boredom. These apps feature moving objects like fish, bugs, or lasers that respond to your cat touch, encouraging natural chasing and pawing behaviors. They are ideal for short play sessions and help keep indoor cats entertained, active, and mentally engaged. Window perches provide indoor cats with elevated viewing access to their surroundings, supporting mental stimulation throughout the day. They offer a dedicated resting space near natural light and outdoor activity, helping reduce boredom and encourage calm, observational behavior. An interactive treat-dispensing cat toy keeps cats engaged by combining play with reward-based motivation. As your cat bats, rolls, or nudges the toy, treats are released, encouraging longer and more purposeful play sessions. This type of stimulation helps reduce boredom while keeping your cats mentally focused and active. Providing vertical space allows cats to climb, perch, and observe their environment from different heights. This upward movement supports natural instincts and adds variety to their daily routine. Access to vertical areas helps reduce boredom, encourages physical activity, and creates a more engaging living space. Providing your cat with a scratching post gives them a healthy outlet to release energy and satisfy their natural scratching instincts. Regular use helps reduce boredom-related destructive behaviors by redirecting that activity away from furniture and household items. This simple addition supports both mental engagement and physical well-being. Taking your cat outside provides a safe way to stimulate their senses and prevent boredom. Using a harness and leash, or even a specially designed pet stroller, allows your cat to explore new sights, sounds, and smells while remaining secure. This controlled outdoor exposure enriches their environment. This also offers new experiences that challenge your cat mind, helping to reduce boredom indoors. Introducing a companion cat can help relieve boredom by providing social interaction and play opportunities. Having a feline friend encourages activity and reduces feelings of loneliness for cats. The final and most rewarding way to keep your cat engaged is to spend quality time together. Interaction through gentle petting or interactive play strengthens your bond, while providing mental and physical stimulation. These moments of focused attention help prevent boredom, reduce stress, and ensure your cat remains happy and content. By observing your cat behavior and providing appropriate enrichment, you will prevent boredom, encourage healthy activity, and strengthen your bond. A stimulated cat is a happy cat, and even small daily efforts can make a significant difference in their well-being.